YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy, the one J Osh. Say it with me now. So this is a kind of bittersweet video I'm making. As y'all well know, the Enderlin Tornado that was in North Dakota has now been upgraded to an EF5, which is the first EF5 tornado in almost like 12 years. Since the 2013 Moore tornado. So in a way, it's an eventful occasion. The bittersweet part is, as much as I'm excited to give y'all this video and I want to give y'all as much energy as possible, I'm kind of going through something right now. I've experienced like a loss in my family, and the person was like an uncle, like a brother, and it happened fairly recent. Like it's already kind of been like only really like a day since. Like I had a really, I don't think I've really let it, I've been through all type of emotions. I've cried. I've laughed. Been sad. Been angry. It was unexpected. And yeah, so this video is kind of hard for me to make with full energy for y'all. Like I want to be true and authentic, so I'm letting y'all know why I'm not as upbeat. I'm fighting through it. I got a lot of things going on in my head, and honestly, I'm doing this because one, y'all know I love doing this, but it's also like kind of take me away from reality. Just for a little bit, y'all help me kind of clear my head sometimes, and this is kind of therapeutic in a way. Obviously, I got my girl. She's amazing. I got my daughter. She's amazing. I got my mom still, my brother. I got friends. So this is kind of therapeutic for me to talk to y'all about this. I know some of y'all might not even care about this, not in the sense of like being disrespectful, but you know, y'all came to see, you know, the video. So if y'all did listen to this, I want to say thank y'all. You know, just bear with me. I'm gonna still try to, you know, put out a video in the coming days and stuff. But I got a lot going on in my head, and but yeah, appreciate J Jack Storm Tracks, I think that's his name. Yeah, J Jack Storm Tracks. I'm gonna put a link in the description, obviously. Shout out to him. You know, I'm put a link to his video, so because we're gonna watch pretty much the EF5 Tornado, which was an EF5 at first, but now has been upgraded to an EF5. So this is the first EF5 tornado that happened on June 20th this year, and it's the first one in like 12 years. They said they made it an EF5 tornado. They came to the conclusion, pretty much there was like some train cars, I think, and the amount of force it took the winds to like literally like loft them like 400 feet away or something. They came to like the tornado was like 210 miles per hour winds. Scary stuff, man. I don't so yeah, we're gonna watch this and kind of, I guess, experience the first EF5 tornado in 12 years. Sorry if the audio's a little messed up. Yeah, because I heard like first few seconds and this window was down, so you know you hear the wind, but it should be fine. But yeah, almost at 400. If y'all could give me the 400, that'd be nice. On the road to 500, of course. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get there. You know. But we're almost at 400. Again, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Y'all like another family for me. So you know, y'all, the first 1,000 subscribers, y'all are really important to me. Y'all special to me because I felt like y'all were here at the beginning. And yeah, let's get into the video, man.
Tornado touching down. Big tornado touching down, guys.
Yeah, y'all hear the wind? That's what I was talking about. I'm gonna lower the wheel. I want y'all to hear them though. So.
Huge tornado, guys. We're gonna bring it right there in a second. It's big. It's a monster. Monster tornado.
There's a monster. Y'all gotta be safe out there, man. Storm chasers, y'all gotta be safe, dude. I respect the hell out of y'all, man. Cause like I said, I can't do this. I couldn't do this. No. I know what some of y'all be thinking watching this. Y'all probably like, man, Josh watch. Josh gonna watch these videos and wow. Look at this dickhead. Hold on. No. We're gonna look at this dickhead. It's just crazy. I know what y'all thinking though. Y'all probably like, Josh gonna watch these videos. He gonna eventually want to chase one. Y'all crazy as hell. Nah, man, it's not. Yeah, I can't. Like, I love watching this stuff. Even if I was with some professionals, man, I'd be terrified, dude. I'm too young to have a heart attack, but I feel like I'd have a heart attack in some of these situations. Like, you're already too close to me, for me. Like, if I could watch one, like, miles away, sure. Sure. But, I don't know, man. I was about to say, what happened to the audio? Well, they getting warnings and alerts. Crazy. Everybody knows that sound. That's either an Amber Alert or that's a warning alert. That guy's getting a little... Yeah, he's a little too close for my comfort, bruh. You can't even see it, like, fully down, but... You could tell, like... Nah, that's too close to me. Nope. Too close to me. Well, look at, like, is that the outer winds of it? Like, is that how strong it is? Or is that like mist? Like,
big destructive tornado.
Like, brother, put your window up. Put your window up, man. What y'all think about this being the first EF5 tornado, man? In over 12 years, like, it's kind of crazy. I think I remember, like, just, like, scrolling on YouTube and just seeing, like, somebody said something like, why there will never be another EF5 tornado or some shit. There was a video on it. I ain't even watch it. I don't know if it was clickbait or what, but I ain't even watch it. I understand climate and all that stuff's changing, but you don't be testing Mother Nature like that. No, you trying to test the gods or something. I ain't gonna say nothing goofy like that. Ain't gonna never be another EF5 tornado. Man, watch it just pop up in your state or something. He's too close. He's too close to me. Nah. I'm not comparing, but like this outer winds, like kind of like the way it looks reminds me of watching the El Reno tornado. You know how the tornado was so wide and the outer winds of it, you couldn't tell what was the tornado, what wasn't. Like, from a distance, that probably looks so crazy. Like, you see that. And then another thing is, This tornado, like, it's moving like in slow motion, dude. Maybe it's because it's going the opposite direction. I don't know, but that jump, It's too close to me, dude. I can't do that, bro. He's too close. I hope all y'all are good and y'all having a good day. Hope everybody's family's safe and healthy and stuff. It's too close. Am I tripping?
I have to back it up a little.
A little? Yeah, am I tripping? Is this motherfucker too close? Brother. I want, if anybody, like anybody could take anything away from this video real quick. Besides, be safe. Just love each other, bro. Tell the people you have close in your life you love them, because you just never know when it's the last time. So just do it. You know what I'm saying? We live in a world now where you don't want to tell another guy you love him and stuff, even if it's your brother. But like, if that day comes and you ain't got that person no more, you regret not telling them that. You know? Just appreciate people more.
It's getting bigger.
That shit's crazy. Like I said, he's too close to me. And also I want to take a moment, make sure we like pay respect to those who died in this tornado, because I think if I'm wrong, correct me. Not over being corrected. If I'm not wrong, I think 3 people died from this tornado. So just as much as we like seeing tornadoes, just keep, you know, always pay respect to the people that passed away, man. Like, as crazy as tornadoes are to look at, you gotta also remember like the damage that it does to people, the lives it ruins. He's too close. No, he's too close. He's too close. He's getting anxious. He's getting too close, bro. You can barely see that. You're starting to barely be able to see it, bro. It's so strong. And look at the outer winds. It's so strong. It's almost masking it, dude. Like, nah, man. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. I'm good. I'm good. No, bro. This motherfucker's window just cracked. It must have got hit by hail or something. Yeah, you were too close, my boy. Yeah, y'all got that. Y'all got it. Y'all got it, bro. Just imagine how strong it was, like, near the tornado or inside the tornado, if this is going on outside of it. Like, man, the windshield's getting cracked. Y'all tripping. Y'all tripping. Can't do it, bro. That's a crazy transition to nighttime. My God. I apologize, bro. I don't know why he keeps driving with his window down. I know that's terrible. Can y'all see it? I'm trying to look for that thing. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. Yeah, I'm glad I turned the volume on. Dude, it got worse. It got worse. I'm driving, having a light show with the window down. Why is your window down, man? can't see it. I'm looking. I don't see it. Oh, yeah. That's insane looking. No, that's insane.
Cars on I-29, pounded by heavy winds.
Hey man, windshield got damaged. That's tough. Ain't that some shit? Hey, look, that's the end of it. There's only 3 more seconds left. I don't think you've seen nothing crazy. Like I said, I appreciate y'all bearing with me getting through this video. I know I'm not myself. Like I said, this is more therapeutic for me though. I know I like to do these videos. You know, I know y'all like these videos. So I appreciate it, y'all watching. I'm also gonna put a picture here of the Ring camera shot of this thing at night. Insane. But yeah, no man, I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all like this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Almost at 400 subscribers. We're gonna get to that 500 subscriber mark soon. And then we're on the way to 1,000. I appreciate y'all being on this journey with me. It's your boy, the one J-Osh. And I'm out.